So we're on our way to Krabi today, which is great. It's like an awesome Instagram tourist destination.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be beautiful.
But it's only been like an hour and there's already been a mishap.
Hey, what happened? Overweight?
I got charged like I had to pay $70 for a few extra pounds of luggage. And Randy here, yeah, he just walked by with his suitcase and ignored them. And he made it on for free.
And they tell you at the gate, but that's their hustle, I guess. So this is the plan. We're gonna pretend we're vlogging.
So far I spent $100 in extra fees. So now it's more expensive than the non-stop flight that I didn't do because it was more expensive. So I'm not doing that again. Your carry-on's still illegal, right?
Huh?
You're just gonna go for it?
Yeah. And I'll probably put this inside and then just put my backpack on.
Banchan?
You wanna go to Banchan?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go to Banchan.
Do they have chicken here?
Japan. Yeah.
What the heck? One of these. How many is it?
3 more.
3 more? Okay, chocolate fudge. So we are now waiting for our plane to Krabi and everything seems to have gone well. Hopefully Randy can get his suitcase through.
This bag's full of batteries, so I'm gonna tell him, all right, if you want to check in battery, I got a couple of backup plans.
What do you usually do on long plane rides to entertain yourself?
Can't sleep on planes. I probably watch movies that I don't plan to watch on a big screen. Download a bunch of stuff on YouTube.
I feel like I usually watch movies, but like on the 20-hour plane ride over, I just like couldn't. So I basically spent 10 hours pretending to sleep, and the other 10 hours waiting for the people next to me to wake up so I could go to the bathroom.
You gotta just tap them on the shoulder. Just nicely.
It's too awkward. They're both sleeping, their legs were up, so I couldn't even like walk over them. Every 10 minutes I'd look over and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna watch a movie.
Traveler's tip. Always ask if they have emergency aisle seats when you check in. Always ask.
I was waiting for like 6 hours for these people to wake up. And I was like, that's it, I'm just gonna watch a movie and not think about it. So I started watching a movie. It's like 30 minutes in and it gets to like this really good scene. And then they wake up. And I'm like, crap, I can't just like stop in the middle of this scene. So I finished the scene, I turn over and they're asleep again. I didn't actually get to go to the bathroom until this crying baby in front of us jolted them awake. Oh man, I've never been so happy about a crying baby in my life. I freaking ran to that bathroom. Nice. Did he weigh it?
No.
He just lifted it?
It's super obvious. It's light. So.
Okay.
This thing's choking the shit out of me.
I'm pretty sure there's no food allowed. Outside food on those airplanes. But we just smuggled in like 9 donuts.
Oh. Thank you.
Is it mine?
Yeah.
I guess my passport just fell in my pocket. That's
Hold on to your passport.
a good thing for random good people.
That's a great thing about Thailand. All the locals are so nice.
Yeah. Even the airport people and the
Just not the
staff.
bag weighers.
Not the bag weighters. They're the worst. Actually, no, mine was nice. She just still made me pay like $70.
Politely.
Yeah, she said sorry a bunch. Okay, time to get on this plane. Okay, so apparently the way Thai Lion Airways likes to land their planes is by slamming into the ground and then throwing up the brakes real quick. Because that happened twice in a row. But anyways, we are in Krabi now, in the airport at least. Then we're waiting for Stephen Short to get his bags, and then we're gonna cab out to our house. Dang.
very good view.
Wow.
And many more.
So beautiful. Man, that's like
Dang.
chilling. Oh, is it okay? Thank you. Let's go. Wow.
You never asked me twice. Oh, jump park.
Dang. What? So we're driving down this road in the middle of nowhere, and this beautiful sunset comes up, and the driver just lets us stop and look at it.
It's breathtaking, man.
Yeah.
Look at that. God, I wish I had a 200 mil.
That was incredible.
I was thinking we're gonna see that like every night, aren't we? Yeah.
There's monkeys in it.
Maybe we're here? Question mark?
Before, I'm Steven. Okay, we were talking then.
Kittens.
Host my home and this for you. Yeah, your kitchen.
This okay. This is
Yeah,
ours.
living room and for bedroom.
So the accommodations were beautiful. Clean, wide open bedrooms, large showers, a scenic blue pool, and an outdoor dining area, and even an outdoor kitchen. It was pretty incredible. But of course, the real reason we came here was for the amazing dockside view. Breathtaking. So we got in the fridge here. We got 2 water bottles, a booklet of sorts. So we were here at the house. Obviously the first thing I did was turn on the AC, get myself some ice cold water, and I might take a shower. But it's really nice. Ralph and Frank are still on their way here, and we might check out the other guys' house when they get here. Alright, so we are shuttling out to Gene and the other guys for dinner. And we made it.
We're young.
Oh, who do we have here?
We made it.
Steven and Steven.
Yeah.
Parkour Steven, how are you?
It's a glowy pool.
Big
Holy
pool.
shit. Dang. What? Dude, I might just spend my time here.
Dude, yeah, you're more than welcome to crash with me if you want. This is my room, you can sleep there, bro.
That's true. Look, you guys have a bathtub and a shower?
Yeah, we can shower and take a bath of the soak at the same time. Just wear your swim shirts. Oh, it's a balcony.
It's a balcony. Dang. So their place is real nice, very modern, but ours is still good. What the? What is that? What are you laying in? Frank,
Yes, sir.
tell us about this bad driver you experienced.
Oh, dude, it was really bad. It was scary. We thought they're gonna take us to the middle of nowhere, and
So across the street from Super Fancy House, we have Super Fancy Restaurant.
I like how this
Sam and Ralph, I hear you guys are best friends. Is that true?
I don't know what you heard.
Tropical drink in my hand.
Don't do it at a retreat, just do it on like a trip where you
Just letting you guys know, I used to be a bartender. So tell me what you kind of like, and I'll recommend the drink for you.
No, there's so much lime in this thing.
But it kind of messed up my flow because I had like half of it.
Yeah. So we got back, and we've been trying to figure out the Wi-Fi password about 30 minutes and tried all the possible combinations
Those floors are different though.
of the same number. Nothing has worked. But this kitten has made our day better. How's it going? No, come back. Did you find it?
45398244.
It's the same.
dude, it's like Twilight Zone shit, dude.
45398244.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Wait, this is the code. This is the other way around.
Oh my god. The never-ending Wi-Fi loop. Okay, everyone take 7.
Everyone take a separate password. Dwarf, feed him from some bananas. Sing him a song.
I've been sitting on this one. I've already known this. She said there's somewhere that there's a menu or something in there. That maybe hidden in the menu is the.
Shut up.
Worst scavenger hunt ever.
Did she really say that?
Yeah, I'll read to you what this is what she wrote. This is a while ago. I came here first, hoping that was gonna solve the problem.
Who's seen the movie? You probably haven't seen the movie.
Okay.
Competition.
Let's not have this one be the same. Okay, this is the 3rd Wi-Fi password location. Yeah, I think we're pretty close to the treasure here. The menu.
453-98244.
What do you have to say about that?
There's a code. What's the natural?
You know what they need to do? She's like reboot the routers there or something.
Yeah, I think so.
What the kind of horror movie is this? It's been a pretty fun day. I'm gonna go to bed now. We weren't able to get the Wi-Fi working or other things. Tomorrow, hopefully we're gonna ride out some boats into like, do like a 4-island tour and catch the sunset, go jet skiing, maybe rent some scooters. I've never driven one of those before and I definitely don't have an international driver's license, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. So I'm sleeping and this horrible insect, huge, comes out from behind my freaking pillow. Like literally, it's midnight. What the hell? That thing makes creepy noises. I gotta kill it somehow. I just brush it off. Jesus. What is this? Frank. Good night.